Welcome back to Healthy Home. So today I am here with a lion's mane mushroom, and I'm going to be doing the double extraction method. Mushrooms have compounds that are both water soluble and alcohol soluble, and so that's why you do the double extraction method. So the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to dry this out, and you don't have to do this, but I'm drying it out because I want to have different ways that I'm using it. So I'm going to make some powder to kind of throw into some herb balls that we make and my kids especially love. But with the rest of it, I'm going to tincture it up, and I'll leave some so that I can do a decoction as well whenever I feel like I need it. So I'm going to just dry it. I'm going to go ahead and tincture it, do the 6 to 8 weeks, maybe I'll do it 4 weeks, and then I'm going to take that mushroom and I'm going to put it in a pot, and I'm going to do a decoction with it or boil it, whatever term that you prefer, and then I'm going to put them together. But this is just such a cool mushroom, and as you can see, it looks like a lion's mane. Actually, it looks like an afro to me, and it looks kind of like a brain. It looks like, you know, hairy, just like kinky kind of curls up here. I'll give you guys some up close shots of it. Mushrooms are just so beneficial and medicinal. They help to build up the immune system. This particular mushroom also is really beneficial for the nervous system, and so that's why I was really drawn to it. Studies show that it might even be able to, if possible, to repair some nerve damage. So I had to get some, and I was able to get some fresh from Whole Foods, and it wasn't expensive, but not as expensive as buying extracts over and over or buying the powder. So let's go ahead and get into the process. So it breaks apart so easily. So I could, if I want to, just go ahead and dry it in little pieces like this. So really, I don't need to cut it, and I'd rather just kind of keep it in longer pieces, really. But I wanted to have it whole to, you know, kind of experience the plant. Let's get some close-up shots. Really cool looking. So if you get a chance, you definitely should experience it for yourself. You should always use cooked mushrooms instead of the raw. And even putting your mushrooms in the sun will give it even up to 5 times more vitamin D. Like this chunk, so we'll leave it.